Endolift is a minimally invasive laser-based procedure that can be conducted in an office environment, and essentially its objective is to improve skin tightening but also melt stubborn pockets of fat. We can treat a wide range of areas with Endolift, which might include multiple areas of the face, such as the chin, the jawline, the neck, but also nasolabial folds, and also the periorbital area. We can also treat a multitude of body areas, such as bingo wings, stubborn pockets of fat in the abdomen. We can treat love handles, inner thighs, inner knees, and ankles. This procedure is absolutely fantastic for those of you who might be suffering with issues relating to cellulite and don't want to have the hassle of going through a surgical procedure to rectify that. The procedure can be a little bit uncomfortable. However, to remedy that, I usually insert a little bit of local anaesthetic to make patients completely comfortable. And the great thing with the procedure is that afterwards there is very minimal downtime, almost none in many of the patients I've treated. So although you may see a little bit of skin redness, maybe some slight swelling, that usually is transient, settles after a couple of days, after which you can go back to your normal activities. This procedure is fantastic in terms of its longevity in comparison to other cosmetic treatments. So if you are looking for skin tightening, you might see the results lasting at least a couple of years. After which, because the aging process does continue, you might wish to have another maintenance treatment. This treatment is suitable for patients over the age of 18. However, patients are judged on a case-by-case basis. They are thoroughly assessed when they come to see me in clinic, and I would ensure that you have a suitable indication for the treatment. Endolift is not just for skin tightening and fat melting procedures. It can also be used for patients who might be suffering with long-term acne scarring. Now, there are patients who suffer badly with scarring after cystic acne and struggle to find a cosmeceutical skin range that might treat that, but also are looking for a slightly quicker fix. Endolift is fantastic when used in a subcision acne laser technique, which improves some of the cratering and the pick scars that you may have had from cystic acne. Most patients will see an immediate skin tightening result straight after the Endolift procedure. Now, this result will be built upon month after month, and at month 1, I usually invite you back to see you, take some more photographs so that you can see an objective difference. And what is actually happening is that the fibroblasts that we have now activated through the small trauma that's created by the laser probe itself is upregulating collagen production. So through making more collagen, we are enhancing that skin tightening effect. Then at month 3, you may find that the skin tightening effect is improved even further. Then at around 6 to 9 months, that new collagen that was formed becomes a mature form of collagen and holds that skin structure and that tightening even better than it did in the first month. Depending on the number of areas you would like treated will determine how long the procedure takes. Now, if you were to say have a jawline procedure, jawline would take around 30 to 40 minutes. If you were having a chin procedure, that might take around 20 to 30 minutes. Now, having treated over 50 patients in the last 2 months, this is a very comfortable procedure. It's based in an office environment. There's no need for any general anaesthetic, no need for any needles or sutures, and most patients tolerate it brilliantly. Endolift is an absolute game changer in the industry. Endolift is producing results akin to a surgical facelift without you needing to go under the knife, without the need for a general anaesthetic. The results are absolutely remarkable, and with no downtime, or very minimal downtime in some cases, we are seeing patients are walking away extremely satisfied with significant differences from their before and after pictures. In my opinion, in comparison to other treatments out there, this is like no other. It is in fact one of the best procedures for skin tightening, stubborn pockets of fat, and excess laxity.